In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Pinterest Mobile Group. If you've ever wanted to collaborate on shared boards directly from your phone, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to find group boards and request to join them using the Pinterest mobile app. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look along the bottom of the app for the search icon. It's the magnifying glass in the bottom navigation bar. Tap that to open the search page. If you accidentally tap your profile, just return to the bottom bar and choose the magnifying glass instead. At the top, you'll see the search field. Type the phrase board group. This term helps surface collaborative boards. If you have a specific niche in mind, you can pair it with that keyword later, but to follow this guide precisely, start with board group. After typing it in, look to the top right of the search page for the filter icon. It usually looks like sliders. Tap it to open the search filters, then choose the option labeled boards. This is important because it narrows the results so you're seeing actual boards rather than individual pins or profiles. When you've selected boards, tap Confirm to apply the filter and return to your search results. Now browse through the boards that appear. You're looking for boards that clearly show a Join or Request to Join option. That button indicates the board is set up for collaborators and is currently open to adding new contributors. When you find one that has Join visible, tap into it and look for that same Join or Request to join control on the board page. Use it to submit your request. Some boards add you immediately. Others may require approval from the board owner or moderators, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. If you're not seeing the join option on a board, that usually means they aren't accepting new contributors at the moment. In that case, back out to the results and check another board that does display join. Availability can change over time, so if a particular board looks perfect but has no join button today, you can always revisit it later or refine your search to find similar boards that are open. That's the full process. Open the app, use the search icon, type board group, filter to boards, confirm, and then choose a result that shows join. Follow these steps and you'll be collaborating on Pinterest group boards from your phone in no time. Thanks for watching and happy pinning!